Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Zapier AI actions with OpenAI for automation step by step clearly. Begin by logging in to your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new automation. In the trigger step, select the app you want to use to initiate the automation. Configure the trigger by choosing the specific event that will prompt the action. Test the trigger to ensure it's set up correctly. Now, move to the action step. Search for OpenAI in the Action Apps list. Select the OpenAI integration from the results. Choose the desired OpenAI action you want to perform. You will need to authenticate your OpenAI account if you haven't done so already. Input the necessary details for the OpenAI action you selected. This may include prompts or settings based on your automation needs. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Continue button. Zapier will present a summary of the action you just configured. Test the OpenAI action to verify that it's working as intended. If the test is successful, you will see the corresponding results in Zapier. In case of errors, double-check the input details and settings. Once everything is tested and verified, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your automation is now live and will run whenever the trigger event occurs. Congratulations on setting up your Zapier automation with OpenAI. Monitor the performance and refine the settings as needed over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.